today's video is about me taking my M550 to New York. This is the car right now, I ain't gonna lie. It's a 10-hour drive. I'm already 8 hours into the drive. I just stopped at the gas station to use the bathroom. It's been a busy day. I left late. Right now, it's probably like about 6 o'clock right now. I don't fucking know. I don't even got my phone on me. My phone is in the car. But yeah, we taking the M550 to New York today. 10-hour drive. It's like 712 miles or some shit like that. Right now, the car is doing good so far, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Feel me? Word. It's gonna be a movie when we get to New York, bro. I swear to God, it's gonna be a movie. Y'all boys stay tuned, man. I swear to God. But I'm gonna keep y'all boys updated on everything. I ain't gonna lie. My paint, I know my paint gonna be fucked up. All right, so we just stopped to get gas. Just got some juice. You feel me? She's still looking good. Still driving good. No problem so far. We did about 4 hours now, I think. Let me check my phone, hold on. We still got 6 hours left. For me, so we did about 4 hours. This is how much we just paid for gas, $85. I had about 33 miles left in my tank. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of cold outside. I ain't gonna lie, chat. I'm getting sick, bro. I feel like I'm getting sick, I ain't gonna lie. But we're still gonna be outside and shit like that. Word. But yeah, I'm about to close this shit, and I'm about to get the fuck up out of here. We still got 6 more hours left, and it's now 9:10. Oh, hell no, yeah. Make it in the car, gang. Look at bro, exhaust dog.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, man. Get your goddamn ass.
Gotta put bro in the vlog, man. Word. I gotta say, look, my miles per gas dropped, I ain't gonna lie. Because I've been kind of going a little bit faster. So my shit dropped to about 27 now. But that's still good, you feel me? Still, gas mileage is still up there, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, we're about to get back on the road. So let's slip to the vlog, gang.
What's up, y'all?
I got J2 in this bitch with me.
J2 in the spot, yeah.
For me, it's not just only me. I got my son J2, right? You feel me? It ain't no bitch in here. So for all y'all bitches that's thinking I got a bitch in here, there's no bitch in here. It's my man, it's my little, you feel me? It's my boy J2. Bar.
Later, a few moments later.
Oh boy, so we stopped again. We stopped to get some juice. Yeah, right now we just slid in the car, cool down for a little bit before I open the hood. We just did like about 3 hours non-stop. This is how she look right now. As you boys can see, my front lip is now gone. I let my little cousin drive the car, and some shit was in the way, I guess, and he ran over it. Now my shit is fucked up, but this is how we're looking. We're looking dirty still. It's looking dirty as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. It's cold as fuck out here, I ain't gonna lie though. It's cold as fuck, and she's super dirty, bro, but she still look good though. Still look good and shit like that. Just wanna keep y'all boys updated and more stops. All right, my boy, catch y'all boys up on the next stop. I think the next stop isn't gonna be in New York, so y'all stay tuned for that. Yo, as soon as I get to New York, I'm gonna start with the bullshit. I mean, I ain't never gonna cap, you know what I'm saying? I just got a new exhaust on the M550. I got a new exhaust, and y'all already know, stage 2 tune, front mount intake, XHP tune. Right now I'm running stage 2 right now because I'm doing a long distance. I'm not gonna run stage 3 on my M550. And like, my bumper is kind of fucked up though, I ain't gonna lie, but ain't tripping about that. Alright, so we are in New York right now. I have about 50 miles left of gas. I have 14 miles left to get there where I'm going. Just keeping you boys updated, shit like that. Are you recorded? Morning, boys. Morning. It's not even morning anymore, bro. It's fucking 1:14. I'm just about to start my day. I'm about to give y'all a cold start. I think my valves is open. Yeah, it's already open. I'm about to give y'all a little cold start. You feel me? That was tough, I ain't gonna lie. She sound good. She sound hella good. Good as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, we need gas though, Chad. We're finna go to the gas station. I'm finna take y'all with me to the gas station right now. You feel me? Why? Yes, sir. We got 12 miles on the dash right now. We need gas ASAP. So let's go get some gas. Yeah, my car kinda like vibrating a little bit though. I wasn't doing that last night from the exhaust. But it stops now. Okay, there you go. Word. I ain't gonna lie, everybody just blew up my phone. It's my birthday today, y'all, so my phone, they just blew up my phone right now. Really shit. I'm finna throw that bitch in Sport Plus 2. The gas station is up the block, so. Oh my God, nigga! Yo, I gotta retune my car though, chat. I gotta retune my shit. I fucking love New York, bro. I swear to God. The roads is just bad though. I gotta retune my car though, chat. I swear. Yo, this shit sound crazy. Yeah. Hold on, y'all. Need gas. Finna fill her up right now. I think it's on this side. And we're finna get a car wash after. And then after this, I gotta go somewhere. I gotta reflash my car, bro. No bop. I just came with my car without my wallet. Probably should be in my pocket though. No? Yeah, I got my card. This shit don't work. Okay. Bro, I can't believe, bro. So look, I just realized that my diffuser got cooked too. My diffuser got cooked. Let me get this gas pumping, bro. Remove card. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta put my cards in my wallet before I lose them. I always lose every time I come to New York, I lose my card. Every time. Yo, before y'all put gas in your car, y'all gotta drain that bitch out first. For me, gotta drain whatever that's in there. For me. Then you put it in. 93. Boom. But you see, this is the thing with New York. New York pumps, they don't have that fucking thing where I gotta hold this shit myself. Like, what the fuck? Like, this shit is stupid, bro. I don't feel like holding this shit. Hold on. Alright, we just got some gas. So let's spend like $85 on gas, bro. 85 on gas. But yeah, nobody can take the car to the car wash. Get this shit clean. And shit like that. That shit piss me off. You feel me? Word, I ain't gonna lie, it's fake cold outside though. And I didn't bring my coat and I got on slides. I'm tripping, chat, or what? I'm cold as fuck. Fuck! Damn! And I'm hungry too. But yeah, I'm about to go to the car wash right now. The car wash is like up the block from right here. Literally up the block. No bop. Bro, I'm really cold as fuck. But I'm gonna catch y'all boys when I get to the car wash. And shit like that. Word. See y'all boys soon.